Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this hydrogen water bottle for reviewing purposes, so let's take it out of the box, okay? When we first open the box, we find the user manual, which I'm gonna give it a quick read in a bit. The main unit, which comes protected with this little bag, which I think it's really nice. It has this really nice black matte color. And a USB-A to Type-C charging cable that we just place right here, okay? Which I think it's nice. So let's go ahead and give it a quick read to see how it works, okay? We're gonna take it apart. It comes with 3 main parts, as you can see. And we need to open this side and start a cleaning process. So that's what we're gonna do, okay? Come on. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is give it a quick rinse to clean it out, and we're gonna first, before using it, give it a, well, cleaning cycle, okay? So we're gonna run it one time. As you can see, it turns on. We're gonna leave it working. It works, the proper runtime is of a 5 minutes, so we're gonna leave it right here for 5 minutes so we can, well, clean it again and then we can use it. As you can see, it turns on a light that it's slowly changing, which I think it's really nice. Some recommendations is to not use it with boiling water, which I think it's, well, a proper recommendation. That way you don't damage all the proper system, which I think it's nice. And you even get some guidelines on how to use it, which I think it's really nice, okay? Another thing that I find really nice is that with just a single charge, obviously charging it completely, you can use it up to 15 times the process, which I think it's nice. And well, the proper time of the process is just 5 minutes, which I think it's nice. You can be working and leave it right there while it's making the process, and you'll be, well, studying, working at your job, wherever you need. I think it's really nice. I'm gonna leave it still there. As you can see, the cycle is complete. It turns off automatically, so I'm gonna give it another quick rinse so now we can use it, okay? Okay, once the cycle is complete, we have now, well, hydrogen enriched water, which I think it's nice. Let's see if it's changed the taste of it. It doesn't change the flavor of it, which I think it's really nice. Overall, I think it's really nice. You can take it with you wherever you need, because as you can see, it's of a really nice size, okay? You can take it with you to some sports, into your school, your work, where you need it. I think it's gonna do an amazing job. I like a lot that it feels of a great quality, and the design is really simple. And overall, I will really recommend it. See you guys.